Vietnam.
안녕하세요.
Hello, I'm Ding Doong. I'm from Ha Noi, the capital of Vietnam.
With knowledge of journalism and communication, and also with the love of Korean language and cultures, I want to bring Vietnamese Korean culture together and bring it to the world. And that is the reason why I make this video to join the 2022 food video contest for foreigners, Play Korean Food Season 3. Before making delicious dishes of Korean food, let me tell you how popular is Korean food in Vietnam.
It's not difficult to find a Korean restaurant in Hanoi. There is Korean food near schools, on street, in every shopping malls. Korean food is not only in our daily life, but also in our mind and also on our smile like this. And now, let's meet today's main character, Kimchi. I found some very interesting facts of kimchi. Kimchi is a way of life in Korea. 1.5 billion tons of kimchi are consumed in Korea each year. There is a Kimchi Research Institute, a Kimchi Museum, and government sponsors Kimchi Festival.
There are many ways to eat kimchi. We can eat it directly or we can use it as an ingredient of some dishes such as kimchi mandu, kimchi fried rice, kimchi jjigae, kimchi pancake, tofu kimchi, spicy udon, spicy cold kimchi noodles. So today, I will choose one of these dishes to cook. Guess what it is? I chose kimchi jjigae.
Now, let's watch the show of the ingredients. They will cook kimchi jjigae themselves. Kimchi jjigae made with kimchi and other ingredients such as pork or seafood, scallion, onions, and diced tofu. It is one of the most loved of all the stew in Korean cuisine. It's a warm, hearty, spicy, savory, delicious dish. As kimchi is the core ingredients in kimchi jjigae, all the ingredients are dependent on personal preference. Maybe it's time for me to have finished this dish. Now I just need to add tofu and scallion, and the kimchi jjigae will be complete.